I'm here in Democracy Plaza in Rockefeller Center, and I'm sitting in one of these little chairs. It's very uncomfortable. And let's get the story time. They're going to have story time. I don't know what kind of story time they're going to have about the election. I guess they're going to tell stories of Bush and Kerry when they were younger, maybe, perhaps. When Little Long Chin, was getting teased at school. I can't even imagine what kind of stories they'll be telling, but I'm sure the children will not be interested like me. So I'm making sure I'm getting out of here. Story time is at 4. It's about, 15 till, so I better leave. All right. We're here with
Miguelina.
Okay. And who are you voting for? Are you voting?
Well, yes, but first of all, it's a private. Do you want to know?
You don't have to tell me, but if you want to, you can. You can give me a hint. You want to play charades? You don't want to tell me? Is it what?
Well, no, I'm going to vote Democratic. Yeah.
Democratic. So, okay, so I'm not going to say it out loud. Kerry says, I have a plan. Said he pouring ketchup from a can into a tank as it slowly sank into the desert sand by would-be leader. That's deep. Explain this.
Explain it. I'll say one thing about President Bush. I agree with him one thing. Even if you don't agree with what he says, at least you know where he stands. Senator Kerry, he says, I voted for it, but then I didn't vote for it. Plus, I don't like his wife. She's very wealthy, a foreigner, and she's trying to tell us working Americans about what we should do and what we should say and what we should know. But what does she know? She's a foreigner, wealthy. She's in no place to tell us that.
So the fact that she's a foreigner doesn't sit well with you?
I have no problem with her being a foreigner per se, but the fact that she's a wealthy foreigner trying to tell us, people who are born here, what we should be doing, what we should, about America when, she's a wealthy foreigner, doesn't sit right with me.
She's a wealthy foreigner. Are you voting in this election?
Yeah.
You have to think about it. Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Who are you voting for?
Ralph Nader.
So you're voting for Ralph Nader. Why?
Because Bush and Kerry are full of shit.
Need money for beer, drugs, hooker. Hey, at least I'm not bullshitting you. And then he has 420. That's the number for weed smokers. Yes. So you're gonna be buying some weed with this money too, right?
I'm gonna get high as a motherfucker.
At least he's honest. Does this sign get a lot of response?
Yes, ma'am. Tax free.
Do people give you money?
Yes, ma'am.
They do, and they see this sign and they still give you the money.
This is New York City. People appreciate honesty.
If I seen this sign, I wouldn't have given you no money. I might say, hey, I might interview you, but I wouldn't give you no money. Does that make me a bad person?
Who gives a shit?
There goes that word again. He loves it. But how much money did you make today?
About $200.
$200. Wow. So when you're off the street, what do you do with that $200? Do you buy clothes? Do you go Abercrombie and Fitch, Gap?
Oh, fuck Abercrombie and Fitch.
What you say?
Fuck Abercrombie and Fitch.
So where do you go?
To the mall up in Harlem.
He goes to the mall up in Harlem. They have a liquor store in the mall?
Bye.
Okay, you want to jump back over the rope?
Yeah, you want to do jump rope?
We're going to raise the rope. Listen,